Dallas, mami.
Chicha Makia.
Dallas, mami.
There's a call.
Dallas, mami. Dallas, mami.
Nandi Kunja.
Dallas, mami.
Come here. How do we do it? Just kill me already. Oh, manzi. Sibo. Tayana amanzi okugeza ngane yami. Ngiyabonga boy. Who took my water? Why are you eating my bread? Those were the last 2 slices of bread. I mean, you could have went out and bought bread. It's not like you're going anywhere and stuff doing nothing.
Kuyosiza ukuthi ukuyeke lokhu kudedema lokho. Ukhumbule phela ukuthi akusekhona kwi-mention kababa wakho la. Hayi malamba uthenga isinkwa.
Are you aware that I'm going to school? I'm going to be late.
I guess today is your lucky day. Waphela ukubuke wayithatha le mali le. Bungeke ube nayo imali yeTaxi. 20 rand okugcina lo emalini engishiyele ubaba wakho. Okunye futhi Mugele, fanele wazi ukuthi kusukela manje usuzo hamba ngenyawo uye esikoleni. Njengazo zonke ezinye ingane lezi.
Wait, how come? The long distance. This is crazy. Mama! Mama!
No, into. Babsi.
Andisikolweni namhlanje.
Njani ba uyisikolweni uthetha uthini xa usithi awuyisikolweni namhlanje?
Mama ubona ba ishetya amandla ingane?
Jonga mamela. Kaloku uqhelekile into bangabana umuntu ongumama okwesisimo kuso owaye mntanami hima. Kaloku kuyenzeka. Wonke umfazi udlula kule ndlela oyahambayo.
This was not how I was supposed to spend the teenage years.
Ndayiva le nhlungu kuyo. Mina yazi bebengicinga ntoni? Bengicinga into bangabana uqine njengendlovu yasemabhonya mall.
Saba indlovu yasemabhonya mall ndincibe ntoni?
Uyazikhumbula esahembe zikatata kwazecawa sakudala usenokwazi oyiyi-1 yazo uyithi uhambo mancincinisa ungayindawo uzanqaba yona xa esikolweni.
Hi, Muntle!
Mamakhe. Hayi bo wasambe mamakhe kumele silanda abanye abafundi ngani? Asambe mayithofolax saw.
Hey wethu. Kuzafuneka ke ithethe lento yalomfana lesi speed sakhe. Sinabantwana kaloku. Indlela andidike ngayo ke lamfana. Wahambe emithisa abantwana. uBrenda uyekela lenkwenkwe ingahlawulanga nohlawula. Ayikenzanga kwanto nix ixele mina. Wow, dika.
Utlile. Hape moshimano ke ena breadwinner ya kama. Ke ena ba thusitse ngulukisa ntlo ya bona.
Hayibo,
Ke re thupisela ya ekhibidu. Ke ena mo reketseng ena pepenka ka yona mo strateng mo malo.
asisimanga. Ungixanti ubuhoshisa ngomntana. For ithupise bomvu. He wethu. He. Mabr! Unjani mfana?
Molweni bomakini right?
Awumhle
Uyiphithile matsatsi ya khale ke sawuboni.
Hesana sithetha ngalonto leyo not even jonga mina ndihlela apha kwami.
He wethu. Iskini awuglow ukujonga awuglow. Uthi glow ma. Jonga.
Uzivalela.
Hayi ke wena.
Akho nditheni. Anisandidika.
Aw.
Ndichekhe great.
Baz. Amile.
Just, shit.
Kuleko.
Ngiyaxolisa ma.
Yini mfana mkwenze njani? Khuluma nami.
Umsebenzi wesikole nje kuphela ma. Akulutho oluhluphayo.
Hayi mntanami, ngiyakwazi phela uzalwa yimi. Usungiqambela manga. Yazi mntanami, mhlambe lezi zinto zabafana kodwa ungakhuluma nami. Kuma wakho ngizo-understand. Yazi lesi sikhathi ke sesithi masifika njalo. Ukhumbula ukuthi ubaba wakho usekhona.
Ngizoba right ma.
Ngicela ukuthi okungcono ukhulume no principal wakho. Ngibone ngathi umuntu olungile. Angakhona ukulalela. Nkulu.
Noma ufuna umuntu-ke phela ozokhuluma naye.
Mamakhe bambaka amazulu bhega akho enziwe umamezala wakho. Yabo le ndaba.
Haki my baby masiri mina ngithanda wena. Thakatsheni.
Manje
Thakatshena. Nka basingisi bare it is a token of appreciation. Ne ke re fela ko lebohe for the other day.
mamakhe khuleka ayikho into yenzekayo la. Mina lo ngimnika ulift eyakubo manje nakho kusenza lento angimazi ukuthi wenzana ngazi nami.
Uyazinceda Douglas bayilonto. Khona simsibani mina ngumuntu okileke sewo.
Hayi angidli mina ilekese. Mi wena ngani yasathana ngidli mina lento yakho. Ngiyabonga.
Akayiki ilekese.
Sharp we. Ubona wena Chucky. You don't know what you're missing out on. Impa hulukile. Sala le magwinya ha. Dayipona ufella ka.
Mamakhe ungamnaki lo. Uthanda ukukhuluma. Uthanda ukukhuluma. We. Ngiyakuthanda.
Have to take.
Nokso! Nokso!
Sam, yintoni yakho? Izolo futhi khange ufike ndakulinda nje. Mini yonke.
Kinka wena Nokso.
Kutheni na utshwala sowuhlamba ngaba ngoba?
Isikadi rajalo. Kuyahlaloganya Nokso. Ke le khoba la bojalo. Botshelo ba me botlhakatlhakane mene ke sa nagane gore mosadi wa me o ntlogetse go feta matswa mo diatleng tsa monna yo mongwe ane ke ra motse fa ke bua ka tlhamalalo
Sam, andicinga uba lixesha le right was based on that conversation. Ndiyacela.
ke ga ona se bete go bua ka boyfriend ya ga
Ii-colleagues zethu silapha. Andifuni bekuhletywa ngathi.
ka bonagana ka seo pele o itatlhela mo die mo matsogong a monna le ntsala ya me o ka dira yang seo no batla monna thata jalo no sa kgone o kry-a homo
Bengekho isidingo uba ndiyenze loo nto Sam. Bendifuna i-peace ne-comfort. Bendifuna ngcono. And for your information, umuzi uyandinika yonke loo nto.
ore
Uthe ndiyathintitha? Ndithi umuzi Mthembu yindoda eqotho. Ukodlula wena Sam. Ukodlula ngendlela yonke.
Gase oh hey hey sola hey hey
Pele ya gago metšhome modimo tla bulela tsela and I hope you are aware that modimo mo tone and tshwantse o tshele no ka molao o sana surprise the moment ha motho a remove yourself mo botshelo ba gago wena ska blame ka tsewa something ye mo lebe something e di shiwa mo gago
Go back to the batsman. Oh, you good? You got your confidence. Yeah, come on. 1, 2, 1. Confidence.
Hayi, kwami ndizovalwa. Ndithi ngomrep, repan. Lipase qha xa nibhale exams. Lipase.
Yeah, the pass there.
You are early.
1,
I'm
2.
impressed.
Ngiyabonakala kuphethe wena-ke manje izinto ey'vele zashintsha. Hey, ngiyezwa-ke kuthiwa-ke kunale disciplinary hearing udinga i-witness. Uyazi ukuthi mina ngizoyibeka le way bengakhona uma ngiceda ngishukela nyana.
David, go. Quit clowning. Funa uhambe uyothisha i-grade 11 the-maths. Sam is not gonna make it.
Ama-grade 11? Ma uyazi ngiphethe ama-grade 8 nama-grade 9. Ma u-8 ama-grade 11.
The last time I checked, I was the man in charge in here, and this is not a request. Uba bendinguwe bendizawuhamba ndiyopreparisha i-lesson plans zam ngoku.
Kodwa uyazi ukuthi i-advance le-maths yalabantwana laba. Last time ushilo wathi angisumeneko okwazi ukufundisa kamnandi mos.
Uyazi bangena njani? Once upon a time, you told me into yokubana i-geography ne-maths are the same. You told me that. And you insisted that I hire you, regardless.
Akubhadala kodwa.
Kakade wangibhadala. But you are in arrears. 2 months yonke, you are in arrears.
Uyazi ukuthi ilokudlala lokwami ngiyayidlalela ayidlishi lawo. Awu principal.
Hamba.
Yebo.
Hamba uyosolve works.
Yebo, principal. Hey.
The kid shouldn't be here.
Cha. Angithi nina ense ingane zibe ingxenye SGB. Nazo kasikhala. Abawabukela amanyala wenu.
Niyayazi babangakanana abantu ababukele le video and lonto leyo iyasihlaza.
Asinyekele yonke into ngagijima ngaphuthuma ngezala.
Usiphoqile Mr. Paleng. Kwaye usiphoqa sonke Mr. Paleng. Isidima sesikolo usihuqile phansi.
Sisebenza kanzima ukukhuthaza lengane ukuthi ziphathe kanjani yonke lento le. Nina umthelela wenu lo wenzayo. Angitshele kahle. Kubaleni zwenza yonke lento le.
This is an award-winning punch to me, Mr. Paleng. He is a trained boxer.
Ay fanaye.
Ay wena, how to be banna? Eric le jwetseng he. It turns out, Mr. Mtembu, mjetse msathu njweli. La dala lona. Even more on top of that, Mrs. N and Mr. Paleng. Awasatha mabali babedi.
Enompopi. Yabona ukuthi lento iringa yivala. Awenze kancane Mr. Paleng. Mina bengimshaya ngegani.
Sam, asinalanga lonke. Thethini?
I lost control. Muzi did nothing. It was a moment led by emotions.
Uzama usixelela into ba wena uhlasele umuntu osebenza naye ngaphandle nje kwesizathu. Kuxhomekeke kuwe ukuba uyamxolela okanye umxolele.
Sam is a good teacher. Nithandabuza lonto. Kodwa ke right now he's going through it. So I understand why he lost his school. His HOD of a faculty that is soon to be discontinued. Namba bendikwezihlangu zakhe. I definitely would have lost my cool, so andizumbambisa.
Indoda elungileyo musi. Amadoda amaningi bamxoshisile. Kodwa bheka ngilanda. Emva kwesigameko esingaka sokuhlukumezeka.
Sisuka kude kakhulu no Sam. Basically sikhule ngathi sezi brothers. Andimazi nje. Dingayazi nambana lento yenzileyo uyenziswe into na.
Ngakho ke uyaphela umhlangano wethu njengamanje.
Okay. Settle down, Takalani. I'm standing in for Mr. Paleng. Ngiyazi ukuthi wonke umuntu ubonile kenzakaleni lapha ngaphandle. So, angeke khona ukuzonifundisa nizofundiswa yimi ke namhlanje. So anike ngifakeni up to speed. Benibhizi ngani? Yebo Nandi.
Actually, sibizi ngaleyo equation esebhodini. Sizama ukuthola indlela ezihlukahlukene zokuyisolve.
Oh, okay. Simple ke lento le. Yeah, simple lento le. Yes. Because 12. Yeah.
Sir,
Yebo.
you forgot to add in the 3.
Yeah.
No, not there, sir. Just before the X in the exponent.
Yazi le nkinga yami le yamehla iba serious man. Kumele ngizame ukubona udoctor sir.
Sir, understand ukuthi lo 3 simthola kanjani. Cela ungi-explainele.
No, wena mana ndinandi ngeke sayithola lento isilahlekile vela ngisenenkinga ngamehlo. So relax. Gijima.
Hey, yewena mfana, yewena. Okay, yazini. Nimnandi la nandile la. Kodwa la akuna next. Huh? It's fine. No, it's fine. Yeah, so nina nazi yonke into niphendulana nokwameniya nina, ha? Wena thatha phakama mfana ngisho unama answer wa yonke into babonisa ukuthi phunywa njani la. Hey, angizingeni. Never. Ngeke salani.
Vex uyingane. Phethe indaba yami. Yabona yena Vex. Ngithandela lokho ntwana yami. Sibona ukuthi X plus Y is equal to intaba yami. Yabona wena Vex mfana kithi ngikunqanyela lokho. Ha? Udeliver yonke into on time. Uyangizwa boss? Yeah. Yabona manje ukuthi ngivele ngikushenge bona. Yabona lana mfana kithi ngizokushaya ngokukhethefula. Uyezwa boss? Into ka Snow White kade limhlophe. Uyangizwa boss? Ya izinto ezimnandi. Ayibona intwana yami.
Hayi mina ngikre.
In much. Ngazongidisappoint wena. Ngeke ngithi ngiba generous bese uzofuna ukungidisappoint ngithi nayi le bonus. Ithi hayi wena sana ngithi ithi la. Dark is eggs.
Hey, Sam. Listen. I just want to thank you for controlling your emotions at the hearing. It takes a real man to do that. I just hope you could have done that earlier. Then we wouldn't be here.
Don't push it. If I could punch you again, I would.
I don't think I'd be so nice and understanding again. You're taking time off. Go home. Sort your issues.
And why would I do that? The kids need me.
With your temper, you might just lose your cool again. And what good is that going to be to the kids? And so you know, one bad move, you're fired. And I will have you blacklisted and you'll never teach again. Is that what you want?
uthi kanje girls. Wena uqhubha indoda endalo intwana esikolweni nabo ningakubiza amapolisa. Phuma apha. Ungathetha kakhulu nawe. Umntana esikolo zithobe. High grade. You can't do that. Otherwise, I'm calling break for the rest of the term. Bobby, you're talking to a teacher. Do not disrespect me like this. Get it together. Depend on 10 High grade! Higher grade! It looks like detention if you keep going.
Sam, eh? What the hell were you thinking? Punching umuzi kanje yaphambi kwesikolo sonke umhlaza. Eyona nto zamuyenza wena Sam kumosha nje ubomi bakho. Is that it? You should be ashamed of yourself.
Naro good. Huh? No batla gore ke atle boyfriend ya go ya setomo a robala le mosadi wa
soon to be ex-wife. Futhi beng expect ba ube civil. Ungabehave ngathi uyindlavini.
Fanekele wena nka itebella mosipone. Ha ke selele. Ka itse gore ha o bolo robala le mosi sebaka. And then you have the nerve to bark at me about shame and acting right.
Eyona nto fanele uyayenza wena Sam kubulele ba umuzi didn't press charges. Usindise wena umsebenzi wakho and your reputation.
Wow. You guys just couldn't get home to have your pillow talk.
Just face your issues, Sam. Face your issues. Abantwana esikoleni they're fighting. Bayala ngoba bacinga lento yenzileyo. You're right. Have you seen how the teachers are looking at you?
I don't give a damn. I am not the hypocrite here. You are.
Has a nesiqinisekiso uba uhlele uyaguquka engcwabeni.
Waseke. Watlisa leina la radi yake mo di kgantsa go tsamaya. Sepe. Molomo wa go siametse selo se sengwe fela.